If your beloved cat has been diagnosed with diabetes, the thought of administering insulin injections may feel overwhelming at first. However, with the right approach, you can easily administer insulin to your cat. Feed your cat before giving insulin. Take the insulin vial out of the refrigerator and gently roll it between your hands to mix the insulin. Some types of insulin must be shaken until they appear milky. Clean the rubber stopper by wiping it with rubbing alcohol. It is important to ensure that you are giving the correct amount of insulin with the correct syringe. Ulticare Vet insulin syringes have half-unit markings for precise dosing and a smooth, lubricated needle for a comfortable injection. To prepare the syringe, first, remove the cap. Draw air into the syringe equal to the number of units your pet will receive. Insert the syringe into the insulin vial, turn the insulin bottle upside down, ensuring the needle is submerged in the liquid, and then pull back the plunger to draw the correct dose of insulin. If there are any air bubbles, give the syringe a little flick with your finger to remove them for an accurate dose. Distract the cat with a carbohydrate treat. Find a good location for your cat injection. Make sure that your finger goes in just a little bit. You are not going to hit the bone. Then, pinch a fold of skin between your fingers and gently insert the needle straight into the center of the fold. Push the plunger gently to inject the insulin. Remove the needle quickly and safely dispose of both the needle and syringe in a sharp container. To administer insulin with a pen, take a new needle and peel the cap off. Make sure you are using the correct insulin pen. Uncap the pen, then screw the needle onto the insulin pen securely. Next, remove the outer cap, and you will see an additional solid plastic cap. Remove that as well. It is important to load the needle correctly. Dial the required units on the dialer. Make sure the needle is primed and ready by pressing the purple button. You should see insulin dribbling out of the tip. Additionally, check the window to ensure the dosage has returned to 0. To administer insulin, select the appropriate dosage for your cat. Comfort your cat before giving the injection. Choose an area where your cat has loose skin, such as the back of the neck. Offer a small snack to keep your cat relaxed. Gently pinch the skin at the back of the neck, insert the needle under the skin, press the plunger down, and hold the pen in place for 10 seconds. Once you have finished, give your cat a gentle pat as a reward. By following these steps, you will help maintain your cat's energy levels, keeping them happy, active, and healthy.